In this video, I will show you how to create a music video fast and at a low cost. These music videos are perfect if you are an AI music creator and want some visuals for your music. The tool that we will be using for this is FreeBeat AI, and I have left the link in the video description for you to follow along. All new users get 500 credits for free to try it out, so you can test it today at no cost. What makes FreeBeat AI so good is the fact that it does all the hard work for you. The only thing that you actually have to do is choose a song and write the prompt, and then click Generate. You can use my discount code to get a 10% discount on the Pro package. Once you have logged into FreeBeat AI, the first thing you will see is the Music Video Agent. If you click on the sidebar, you can find your toolbox. This contains all the other tools that FreeBeat AI has to offer. But the main feature is their new Music Video Agent. To create your music video, the first thing you need is a song. You can generate it right here in FreeBeat AI by clicking on the toolbox and going to the music generator. After the music generator has opened, you can select your model, such as Suno 4.5. You can also choose to turn on instrumental if you want a song with no vocals. To create the song, you simply have to enter a prompt. If you don't know what prompt to write, I have created a blueprint that you can use to help you through all of these steps. The first section of the blueprint is all the tools you will need. This includes FreeBeat AI, Whisk, which is a free image generator, and Google AI Studio to create our prompts for free. Then we have the workflow that consists out of 3 steps. The first step is to generate our music. In the music prompt generator, the first thing you need to do is choose how many music prompts you want to create. I will select 5. And then you have to write what your song has to be about. For this example, I will write summer chill music with an upbeat rhythm and male vocals. Now, we need to choose our supporting settings, starting with the genre. I'm gonna go with Afrobeat. For the vibe, let's select a chilled mood to keep it relaxed. Now, for the tempo, I'll set this to upbeat. Lastly, we need to pick our instruments. I'm choosing drums and bass for this track. Once you've filled in all those details, your custom prompt will be ready to go. Copy the prompt and go to Google AI Studio. Make sure to select Gemini 3.5 Pro. Paste in the prompt and hit run. Gemini will now create 5 music prompts. Now that your prompts are ready, you can simply press the copy button to copy one of the prompts. Then go back to FreeBeat AI and paste in your prompt and click Create to generate your song. After all your songs have been generated, you can listen to them one by one and choose the best one. Here is a fast example of the song we just created.
You pull up late, sand on your legs, sun in your hair, flip-flop swing, laugh in my face like you.
If you want to use these songs for your AI music video, download it so you can upload it when you are creating the AI music video. Next, go to the Music Video Agent. Now we have to select the type of music video we want to create. I will choose the storytelling music video type. Now we need to pick a track for our music video. If you don't want to use an AI-generated song, FreeBeat AI gives you tons of options from platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, and Suno. There's even a handy search bar if you're looking for a specific hit. Alternatively, you can do what I'm doing and just upload the song we just created by clicking the upload icon. Once your track is ready, go ahead and choose your duration. For this example, we'll stick with a 1-minute video. And then hit confirm. It's time to enter our video prompt and select the character that will star in our production. Adding a consistent character is optional, but if you want to add your own, you can upload 2 characters to keep them consistent in your video. To create the image prompts for your characters, we're going to head back to my blueprint and jump into the character generation window. The first thing you need to do is describe your character. My character is a relaxed guy sitting on the beach at sunset, with messy hair catching the ocean breeze. I will leave the age between 20 and 30. Then for race, I will select white. And then for the character concept, I will pick K-pop idol. For the clothing style, I will choose summer. Then finally, for the rendering style, I will choose photorealistic. Now that the prompt is all set up, copy the prompt and go to Google AI Studio. Paste in the prompt you just copied and click Run to generate the character prompts. When the prompts are ready, copy the first prompt and then go to Whisk AI. Whisk AI is a free image generator that gives very good results, but Whisk will move to Flow on April 30th, so I do not know if it will still be free after that. To use Whisk AI is easy. Just paste in the prompt you copy from Google AI Studio, and make sure you have precise reference on, and you can lock the seed for consistency. Select your aspect ratio and then generate all your images one by one. Once the images are done, go through them and choose the one you like most. Then download that image and head back to FreeBeat AI. Make sure to click on the Add Character section and then upload your image. When it is done, it will appear in the character section on top. And now you can click Confirm. With our character uploaded, let's move on to the final settings to make sure everything looks professional. First up is the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose 16:9. Then we'll set the resolution to 1080p to ensure we get a crisp, high-definition result. For the overall aesthetic, I'm sticking with the photorealistic style to match the character we just built. You can also choose whether to turn captions on or off, and if you'd like to remove the watermark at this stage. Now that our technical settings are locked in, we are just one step away from generating the final production. For the AI settings, I like to use expert mode because it gives better results. I highly suggest you leave auto mode turned off so you are in complete control of the process. This allows you to edit images and videos before the final music video is put together. We've reached the final step, which is creating the actual prompt for our music video. To make this as easy as possible, you can head over to my blueprint and use the general music video prompt template. For my story, I'm going to describe a man and his girlfriend relaxing on the beach, soaking in a romantic sunset vibe. Now here is a pro tip for better results. I like to turn off both B-roll and C-roll. By selecting only A-roll, we keep the AI strictly focused on our main characters throughout the entire video. To give the AI even clearer direction, I'm going to add 6 specific A-roll scenes. I'll include details like the couple walking barefoot along the shore holding hands, and then sitting together on a blanket. Once those scenes are set, simply copy your finished prompt. Next, head back over to Google AI Studio. This is where we'll generate a professional, high-level prompt based on those specific scenes we just wrote. Finally, take that professional prompt, paste it into FreeBeat AI, and hit Create. After you click Create, the AI agent begins its work. The first thing it will ask is if you want to use the memory feature. This allows the AI to remember details from your previous projects. However, I recommend starting every project with a clean slate to avoid any confusion. So, for this video, we are going to select Skip Memory. The next stage is the creative concept. Think of this as the artistic blueprint for your video. The AI will outline the colors, textures, and the overall atmosphere it plans to use. Take a moment to read through it on the right-hand side. If you want to change the vibe, you can tell the AI to adjust it right here. But if you're happy with the plan, just click Continue. Now we move into character casting. This is where the AI confirms the look of the consistent character we uploaded earlier. It will show you a preview image to make sure the face and style are correct. If it looks like the character you created in Whisk, you're good to go. Simply hit Continue to keep the process moving. Next up is directing. This step shows the breakdown of your scenes. Because of the rules we set in our professional prompt, you should see that your A-roll is at 100%. This is a great sign that the AI is following your instructions perfectly. Review the planned actions for each scene, and if everything looks right, click Continue. Now the AI starts the image generation phase, creating one unique image for every single scene in your script. Once these images appear on the right, I highly suggest you go through them one by one. If any image doesn't fit your vision, just click on it to modify the prompt or regenerate it. Once every single scene looks perfect, go ahead and click Continue. This leads us to the video generation stage. This is where the real magic happens as the AI turns those still images into motion. This part can take a few minutes, since it's rendering multiple high-quality clips at once. So just be patient and let the AI finish the heavy lifting. Once the clips are ready, you can use the brand new Editor feature. This is a powerful tool that lets you preview your video scenes synced directly with your music. It's the best way to see exactly how the final product will flow. If a specific clip has a glitch or doesn't feel right, you can edit it or enhance the prompt right there in the editor timeline. The very last step is for the AI agent to assemble everything. It will smooth out the transitions between scenes and make sure the entire video flows seamlessly from start to finish. When that's done, your professional AI music video is officially ready for the world to see.
You pull up late, sand on your legs, sun in your hair, flip-flop swing, laugh in my face like you don't care. Cool sweet drink dripping down your wrist, I taste the air. You say my name like a joke, but I'm right there. Salt on your skin, waves on your body, slow little spin, girl, you got me. Oh yeah. Move like the tide, come in, then you hide. You say it's just fun, but I feel it inside. Salt on your skin.
If you're excited to start creating your own music videos, you can actually try out FreeBeat AI for free today. Even though it's a paid tool, they give all new users 500 free credits to test out the features, so you can start your first project at no cost. I've left a link to FreeBeat AI in the video description and down in the comments to make it easy for you to find. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button to let me know. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.